Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. It's CocoBot here and we're gonna be doing infantry rifle and 6 revolver only. Wait, is it? No, 6 shooter, yeah. Let's get into it right. Like, yeah. There's 4 people. Go! Ah! This. Right. Here it is. But I'm just trying to do challenges here as well, man. You guys know what this is? Legit, I'm trying to figure out what this is. It says beneath a snowbank, so I went here, man. Wait, maybe? No underground. This side? No underground. What if I break this? What the? God damn it. This is a bank. It says beneath this. Ah! Oh! Yes. Let's go. Beneath a snowbank. Oh, give me that. Are you guys happy that they bring back the burst? Oh god. That's a weird player. There's no way that's a AI. What's that? I might take some fluffies. Wait, oh my god, no, he ate that. Bro, I'm gonna be 99 HP. Or hopefully when it's glitch and I get... Oh, okay, maybe not. Ah. Underneath a freaking snowbank, bro. I need your help, guys. Wait, what's this? I never seen this. Whoa. I'm not trying to be those guys that say, I'm good, you know, she my piece back. I'm just saying, like, is this where meow schools live? Cat food? Cat food. Oh my god, gosh. I'm such a weirdo for saying that. Rocket launcher. Baby, bring that to me. Where is this guy? Where is it? I'm sorry, guys. Get away! Stinky boy. Okay, round 2 then. Hopefully this one I win. No, I'ma wear my main skin. Yeah, I kind of changed it a bit. I know you might say, "Oh my god, it's a Zemi wannabe," but I didn't know what else to do, so I just stick to this. And then alien. Bro, how do I get the hat off? Oh, and the eyes. Like that. Bro, so if one of you says Zemi wannabe, nah, do you see my profile? It is green! Yeah! Charlie did not buy this from the iron shop. Look, 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 you want to see something, guys? I actually want it. I actually want it. Look, 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 look. Oh, wait, guys, you don't see that. You don't see that. Yeah, see? That's three. That's three. Right here. Yeah. 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 Totally, yeah. Yeah. Alright. Look, this is what I need. Full spray gun, look. Look. Redis AI spent $300 for a skin. Ah. Ooh, god damn. Family friendly. Even though I looked at it. Ah, stop shooting at me, you bullying. Bully. Bro, I swear. Oh my god, that guy's not following me anymore. Oh. Get frick. Oh my god, there you go. I wanna find some real people and show off my crown ones, you know? Anyone real here? I know, right? You point at me because I'm so good. Ah! Okay, beneath a snail bank. Do you guys know what a freaking beneath a snowbank is? Beneath a snowbank. It can be anywhere here. I might just go here. This one's popular. I know it's brutal. I swear it's brutal, but I just want to check if it's any other ones. I mean, it might not be brutal for somewhere in snow. Or is that just my mind thinking that? Where could get me under? I know it's somewhere in brutal. It has to. Oh my god. I'm gonna get in a safe area and I might like try and look for it with my bird. Okay, that wasn't really... I didn't do what I thought I would. Ah! Alright, time to look. It's only because the bird has a small area, like it's small, it'll be able to go through tiny stuff. Wait, is that on ground level? It's not. Oh. Yeah, it's that. find it, man. What the? No, I might just do the challenge. I might just try and do infantry and 6 shooter first, and I'll search it up after this video. I don't know, man. Can't find it. Like, why? Oh, bless me, guys. Oh, finally. No. No. Actually, yeah, I might try and get the bow. Shoot, I need mobility, so I need a hammer. Or a bow, actually. If you guys want to do the challenge, let me tell you. Alright, so this is the first one, part 1, the one with double 19s in the middle. Go over the anvil. Down here, right there. That's the part 1. Part 2 is in faulty, where the vault is. You know the vault in faulty? Yeah, you go there. And then after that, you have to go into the vault, and then go to the wall, the end of wall. Not in the vault, just go to the vault. And where the stairs are pointing when you go down, go just in front of the wall, and then emote, and there should be a spray there. Use the spray, and you have it. I'll go over the faulty now and show you what I'm talking about. Bro, it's like I'm showing people how to do a challenge in this video, and then no, triple backflip. Yeah, I'm trying to do 6 shooter and infantry rifle only, and then I just do challenges. So now I'm trying to tell you how to do them. If you were trying to ask me about the third one, I do not know. So you're gonna be all around the map. So you could go to any spot. Oh yeah, so someone's circle. There we go. You know, I might hide someone. I might need some help. Right, you go down here. That wall right here. You go up, and then when you emote, there should be a like crocodile kind of spray there. Please give me a bow. Bow. I don't want to waste all my gold, because gold is hard to get now. Please. I'm going to do into 2,500. Yes! Oh. Ah! Get him. Oh my god. That's a real player. Let's go. Okay, maybe not. Wait, the high-speed weapons are still here. Get away! I just spent so much gold trying to get this. Please, I don't want to die right now. Stop! I'm getting teamed! Getting teamed on! I'm getting teamed on! There's like 5 people shooting at me. I'm just gonna run around the whole map. Because that guy only has an ammo. Thank God.